Welcome fellas into this new video of TechSpress. Today let's check out how we can get started with the WhatsApp business to sell and do more conversations. So if you're using or running a small business, a specialized services or local shop, selling exclusively through your website is leaving money on the table. So WhatsApp business is the ultimate tool for personal, high trust sales and closing the deals quickly. So why? Because people prefer chatting over email or phone calls. So WhatsApp allows, for example, product photos, finalize sales instantly, building rapport that traditional e-commerce lacks. So I'll show you the 3 strategy steps to turn your WhatsApp businesses. The first one is to perfecting your business profile and the setup. If you open the WhatsApp business application, we need to go to optimize your profile to build the instant trust. So you can go, for example, for your WhatsApp business, you can download it here, or of course you can start by creating one. To get started, you go for the first name, the last, the work email, the job role, the company email, how many employees do your business have, where is your business headquartered, and what type of information are you actually looking for. So this is totally depending on what you're actually aiming for. So in my case, let's say for example I just type where we are actually currently located to get started and make this process much more faster. So to make this process much more faster, what I do is to have the application of the WhatsApp directly through my desktop. So if you open WhatsApp Business, we need the code to optimize your profile to build instant trust. So inside the business profile, you use your professional logo, and in the description, what you want to do, of course, is to clearly state what to sell, your hours, and your service area. Here into art and entertainment, I'm going to be choosing, for example, an actual category, what you're actually aiming for. Go for save, and here you can add your own address of your enterprise. Then here you can add an accurate business hours and physically address if you have one. So for example, here you can choose if you're open through Sundays, or to go for specifics daily hours. For example, into Mondays, I select here when I am available, for example from 1 p.m. through, let's say 9, right? Something like this. Or open forever, and you closed into Sundays, for example, into Saturdays, right? And go for save. So you wanted, of course, to find out the short link features, because this gives you a unique shareable link like the what.me/your number. So set up pre-filled welcome messages here, so when the customer clicks the link, you instantly know why they reached out. For example, I am interested into the custom cakes, right? So this short link is what you pull into your website, Instagram bio, and the actual email. You have more information that you can add your product catalog. So this is the part where you wanted to build your product catalog, right? The catalog feature turns your chat into an actual storefront. So you go to the catalog under the business tools, for example, which is my case, here it is. You can check out, for example, you can add a new item. You upload a clear, high quality photo of your product and add a consistent title and an actual price. For example, I click into add a new article. And of course, here you can enter the name, the price, the description, the link, the article code, and the country of the, let's say, where it was to sell it for. You can, of course, hide the article if you want to, but in my case, you can add a new item and put them directly right in there. Something else, for example, is that into the description, clearly list the details. You can include the sizes, the colors, or if it's a service, what the package includes. The more upfront info, the fewer questions you have, of course, to answer to. Take that in mind when you generate your actual description. Now you can share your entire catalog. Even better, send a specific product item link directly to the customer during an actual chat. This makes the sales process seamless, right? Then you can use the automated tool. Automation is key to managing volume and making sure customers never wait. So use the away message, set it to automatically reply when you're closed. This message to your actual customers to let know the welcome context, to direct them to your catalog or ask them a qualifying question. For example, are you interested into our product services, or the thank you for business, we're looking forward to work with you, working with you again. So for example, those are the direct access just by typing things. For example, they have this new actual short answer. I mean, a more precise answer, right? So this is something that I truly thinking about when I generate here into WhatsApp. So to sell successfully into WhatsApp business, remember to optimize your profile, build a comprehensive product catalog, use the automated messages and quick replies to speed up every interaction. So what products are you going to add to your catalog first? You can let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the button and subscribe to Express to learn more about how to get started with this kind of analysis. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. See you next time.